In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-converting email templates with ChatGPT and integrate it to ZOHO CRM. We'll start in ZOHO CRM. From the home page, click the setup icon in the top right to open your settings. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions for templates and customization. In the settings, head to the customization section and select templates. This is the central place where you create and manage email templates that can pull in CRM data automatically. Click New Template to begin. You'll be asked to choose a module. Select Leads as our example, and click Next. Picking the correct module is crucial because it determines which merge fields, like first name, company, or phone, are available to personalize your message. On the template gallery, choose a blank template for a clean slate. Starting from blank keeps the formatting and structure you got from ChatGPT intact and avoids extra styling you don't need. Give your template a clear, memorable name. A good convention is purpose plus audience, for example, Intro Outreach, Leads, Q1. Next, enter a subject line. Keep it short, benefit-focused, and personalized where appropriate. You can insert the first name merge field from the Leads module to boost open rates and avoid spammy words or excessive punctuation. Now paste the email copy you generated with ChatGPT into the editor. Immediately click Save and choose Save Now to prompt the editor to recognize fields and help you finalize placeholders. As you review, replace any generic placeholders from ChatGPT, like first name, company, or offer, with the actual CRM merge fields from the Leads module. This ensures each email automatically pulls the right information for every recipient. While you're here, check links, proofread for tone and clarity, and make sure the content is mobile-friendly with short paragraphs and clear calls to action. Edit any remaining field values the ChatGPT template asked for, so everything is mapped to real data or final wording. When you're satisfied, click Save and choose Save Now again. You'll be prompted to select a folder. Choose a location that matches how your team organizes assets. Public email templates is a good example if you want the whole team to use it. Finally, click Save to confirm. Your high-converting email template is now built with ChatGPT copy and fully integrated into ZOHO CRM for the Leads module. When composing an email from a lead record, just pick this template to personalize at scale and send with confidence. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.